In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spectrum modem blinking blue and white. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So how to fix modem flashing blue and white? The first thing you need to do is to go ahead, inspect the coaxial cable, and after that, you can also go ahead check Ethernet cables if they are working correctly. And after that, the next step you can do is to check for local outages. When this happens, whether you are in the process, just go ahead and check it. After that, just restart the modem if the problem still persists. Or you can also check for a stable internet connection or power cycle your Spectrum modem router. Or you can check for modem overloading. This might be the problem as well. Or you can check your modem is overheating, or check for software or firmware updates. You can use the Spectrum app to check this and troubleshoot it, and also reset your Spectrum modem. So if the problem still persists, all you have to do now is to go ahead contact the customer support and tell them that you have this problem, and they will help you for sure. So as always, thank you for watching.